Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install Zabbix Server 5.4 on Ubuntu 18.04. This is my server information: operating system, IP address 10.66, 100.9, RAM 2 GB, disk space 50 GB, virtual CPU 2, service Zabbix, PHP version 7.4, MySQL version 5.7, and hostname Zabbix server.technologyrss.local. Now I am checking server version and IP address Ubuntu 18.04, and this is my IP address. Install Zabbix 5.4 must be your server update and upgrade using this command. Server update and upgrade done. Now download Zabbix 5.4 version dip package and extract this dip package using dpkg option I, and then update this Zabbix repo, and then install Zabbix server, MySQL, Zabbix frontend, PHP, Zabbix Apache Conf, Zabbix SQL script, and Zabbix agent. You can use Apache web server or Nginx web server. And now this tutorial using Apache web server. Yes, installation done. Now install database server, MySQL 5.7, MySQL database server installation done. Now start MySQL service and step 2, configure database. Now log in MySQL terminal using MySQL option U, root option P, press enter for empty password. Because of MySQL 5.7 default password is blank. Create database Zabbix_db, create user, grant privilege, and then plus privilege. Then exit from MySQL terminal and then import default database into Zabbix_db. Press enter. Default database imported, done. Now step 4, add database password, database name, and database username into Zabbix server conf. My database name is Zabbix_db. I can replace this Zabbix, and username is Zabbix_user, and db password is Zabbix@123. Then save and exit. And then step 5, set up Apache time zone. Apache time zone is my PHP version is 7 point something, Asia, Dhaka. Then save and exit. And step 4, restart all services and then enable all services. Then going to server IP address for web installation process is coming up. Welcome Zabbix 5.4 version. Next step, check off prerequisite, all status is okay, and database name is Zabbix underscore db, Zabbix underscore user, and this is password. And then click next step, Zabbix server details, GUI settings, default time zone, default theme. You can use anything, the default theme, dark blue, high contrast light, high contrast dark. I set up blue. Pre-installation summary. Next step, install. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Zabbix. Front-end configuration file is created. Finish. Then login using default username admin and password Zabbix. Successfully installation done. Zabbix server is running. Yes. Zabbix version 5.4.7. I see host Zabbix server. Zabbix status is available. Status is working fine. Now you can monitor your network using open source Zabbix software. You can find more tutorial from my YouTube channel for monitoring your Windows server and Linux server. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.